In a wide green field, 3 bullocks lived happily together. A clever lion watched them, hungry but unable to attack because they always stayed united. The lion devised a plan to separate them. It whispered lies to the black bullock, making it believe its friends disliked it. Hurt and confused, the black bullock distanced itself from the others. Soon, the bullocks stopped talking and drifted apart, losing their trust and strength. Seizing the moment, the lion attacked the brown bullock first, chasing it away into the forest. Then, it turned on the white bullock, who was now isolated and terrified, and chased it away as well. Finally, only the black bullock remained, alone and vulnerable. The lion advanced, victorious. The bond of friendship, broken by deceit, left the last bullock defenseless against the predator.